Welcome to the Filipino lesson for beginners. We shall continue to learn more vocabulary and sentence construction before moving on to building conversations. We shall start by learning to express months in Filipino language,
Enero,
which means January,
Pebrero,
which means February,
Marzo,
which means March,
Abril,
which means April,
Mayo,
which means May,
Junio,
which means June,
Enero, Pebrero, Marzo, Abril, Mayo, Junio, Julio,
which means July,
Agosto,
which means August,
Setyembre,
which means September,
Oktubre,
which means October,
Nobyembre,
which means November,
Disyembre,
which means December,
Hulyo, Agosto, Setyembre, Oktubre, Nobyembre, Disyembre.
Now, we shall learn to express days of the week in Filipino language,
Linggo,
which means Sunday,
Lunes,
which means Monday,
Martes,
which means Tuesday,
Miyerkules,
which means Wednesday,
Huwebes,
which means Thursday,
Biyernes,
which means Friday,
Sabado,
which means Saturday,
Linggo, Lunes, Martes, Miyerkules, Huwebes, Biyernes, Sabado. Linggo,
is an expression that has a dual meaning. One refers to Sunday, while the other refers to week. The meaning of the expression depends on the context it is used. The day of the week is represented in uppercase alphabet to be distinguished from the other meaning. Now, we shall learn to express dates in Filipino language,
Ika-isang ng Hunyo,
which means 1st June,
Ika-isang ng Hunyo, Sabado,
which means 1st June, Saturday,
Ika,
is used as a prefix to make ordinal numbers to represent dates. For example, 1st, 2nd, 3rd. These are ordinal numbers,
Anong petsa, ngayon?
which means, what is today's date?
Ngayon ay, ika-2 ng Hunyo.
Which means, today is June 2nd.
Anong araw, ng linggo ngayon?
Which means, what day of the week is it today?
Ngayon ay, linggo.
Which means, today is Sunday. We shall conclude this lesson with a conversation between you and an old woman. The old woman has lost track of time and she asked you,
Pasensya na, anong petsa ngayon?
"Excuse me, what day is it today?" You replied,
Ngayon ay, ika-2 ng Hunyo.
"Today is June 2nd. She asked further,
Anong araw, ng linggo ngayon?
"What day of the week is it today?" You responded,
Ngayon ay, linggo.
"Today is Sunday." We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
Pasensya na, anong petsa ngayon? Ngayon ay, ika-2 ng Hunyo. Anong araw, ng linggo ngayon? Ngayon ay, linggo.
Thank you for the patient learning. Stay tuned for more updates. If there are any doubts regarding the Filipino lesson, please feel free to ask questions in the comments section.